I will be deal. I feel them from so that if you get up early in the morning, you'll be very cold. Because we were there one time around that time of the year, and they were laughing at the people. If they say almost free abrochire and buy enough because all of them had just come from the U.S. and they were complaining about how cold they were, and they were used to it. They were laughing like ha ha.
What was it? A whole 69 degrees or something?
David, I want to meet Bimpa. No, it can get pretty cold there, like somewhere in the 40s or 50s, really? Where you'll actually feel the coldness of it.
In Africa, I didn't know.
So you go up to the mountains, that's where you get a taste of that, especially in the morning. Not Afi, this is what you and you also have to bathe in the morning. Now, and you also have to go to the bathing place. There's a bathing place. What I say? Until what you are on say, I want to do. So when you go and bathe and you're walking back, that's when you'll really understand that yes, you can get very cold. I feel in Suchirama to me, but or remember, there are also places where snow can fall here in Africa. To say like Umzansi, that's South Africa. I feel to say and Mapoa Tintinso, also at the tops of mountains, Kilimanjaro, in India, until which moon say, I watch me Bampa or Abimaha. Because here there are some places. Make I say, Mako Umzansi no. Now, I want to meet my home. So when I went to South Africa, I was very cold to the point where I could see my own breath. Me wa down for beer. Or can I say, or be remember until I call her on fire at Tadiet, I moved and call her. So I had a friend who went to South Africa and she didn't know that it got cold. She was like, I'm still in Africa, let me go down there. So she didn't bring any appropriate clothes. I said, oh, do I went dinner. I went not dinner. So she, by the time she got there, she got very cold. Now, pepun so chin. And she also caught a cold. I just said, so we know that in Africa it can be warm, but also it can be places that are cold. But all these things are relative. They say, Nami Wisconsin, and they're relative because, like, when I was in Wisconsin, that's a different level of cold. Now, so how do you to me? Because I was in here. Who wrote me? Who wrote me? Who wrote me?
Who fraud me?
Who wrote me? Who wrote me? Who wrote me? Who wrote me? Who wrote me?
I lived there for 8 years, yes.
So he was just saying that I'm doing a great job, he loves what I'm doing, and that I should be blessed for this great work that I'm doing.
Yes,
teaching you all about the culture.
The cultural
I said that he should also be blessed. And we use various praise names for the Supreme Being to bless each other.
Nyame.
So Nyame is the standard. Then you say Tuturu Bonsu Nyame. That's the one who provides the rain. Nyame. So you can use lots of other things. Chidi upon the one who you lean upon, who doesn't break.
Some young Ghanaian kids, they don't know the true English too well. Some people have an issue here in Ghana. It's official language is causing them to lose their culture.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. There are people who are not ethnically Akan, of course, so they don't speak Chi. But then you have people who are ethnically Akan, but they grew up here in Accra, so they don't learn to speak it because their parents refuse to speak it to them.
Social, economic reason why?
Brainwash, mental enslavement reason why. Which can also be brought about by social economic concerns. My bre. My bre.
My bre.
My bre.
My bre.
My bre.
My bre.
My bre. My
bre.
I'm really happy.
My bre.
You're so sleepy.
My bre.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired.
I have ripened.
I'm really tired. I really am tired. I'm tired.
But it translates to I have ripened.
So people use it as a play on word. My bread is a that I have literally I have ripened like the soil because it comes from bread, which is to be red. So there's an association like when you have a mango, the adikano a hahamono. So when you have a mango first it's green. Now a bra, I should have said a hona with me, but when it reddens, that's when you can eat it. So the play on word is it's like saying I'm dirt tired, right? You're saying I'm tired like the color of the dirt. My bread is a bit. It's an idiom.
My eyes are bent.
My bread is a bit. My bread is a bit.
My breath.
Yes. I'm tired like the dirt.
My breath is saying, I don't care.
So again, it's a play on words because when you're saying my breath, you're saying I've become red, right? So what you're saying to say I'm tired is to say I've reddened. So picture yourself being like a fruit when you're first on the vine or on the tree, you're green. The longer you stay there, the redder you get, right? So to say I'm tired is taking that analogy and saying I am like that fruit, I've reddened, right? So when you're saying I'm tired like the dirt, you're also saying I have reddened like the dirt. So look at the color of the soil here. Yeah. So again, you're making that analogy to say, just like it's a play on words. It's a play on words because it could be understood as I've reddened. It could also be understood as I've become tired.
And that pa thing, what does that mean?
My breath.
A lot. A lot.
A lot.
Maybe it was really hungry, really tired.
Ah, me promise I'm a breath. Me young come to the Menikum.
Minikum.
Menikum.
Minikum.
Menikum. Menikum.
Minikum.
Literally, my eyes are bent. The ocean me see, okay, me see. Menikum. Menikum. Mayenka. Ama, Rabbitana. Kibu. Kotana. From Homabra, we had the end. What did you say about the diaphragm?
The two almost had to be separate.
Ah, I'm a memory enough for them. We have memory enough for them. Me pet. Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet. Me pet. Me pet.
Me pet.
Me pet. Me pet. Me pet. Me pet. Me pet pan. Me pet Adriane.
I'm eating.
Me pet Adriane.
I'm eating. Mouth.
Pe. 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 Pe.
I want or I like.
I want my.
Me pet
I want or
Adriane.
like.
You're eating something. You're eating something. You're swallowing. You're eating pineapple. Tongue.
Debbie. Uh-huh.
Wow.
Me pet Adriane. Uh-huh.
What?
Uh-huh. Me pet Adriane.
I want and like. That's what she said.
Me pet Adriane.
I want.
Me pe Adriane, I want food. Adriane,
I
me
want
pe.
food.
Alright.
So
So
would you
pet
say
can translate to
Adriane is
want
food?
or it can translate to like. Adriane is food. Me pe Adriane.
Adriane is food.
So depending on the context, it could be understood as I want food or I like food. What you say? Mimpe. Mimpe.
I don't like.
Mimpe Adriane.
I don't want.
Uh-huh. Mo. Aya yeah. She me.
Well, how do you say I don't like this food? Because everybody likes food. How do you say?
Not everybody.
People don't like food. Who doesn't like to eat?
My national service person is asking me how she can get an appetite because she doesn't like food.
I did hear somebody say the only reason I eat is because it's needed for sustenance, but if it was up to me, I wouldn't eat. I heard 2 people in my life say that. I said, oh.
But just like I heard, I do have a niece. She doesn't like food. She wants everything to touch. So yeah.
Mimpe Adriane we. Mimpe Adriane we.
Mimpe Adriane we.
Mimpe Adriane we.
Mimpe Adriane we.
I don't like this food.
Okay, I don't like this food.
Meniaje. 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 Meniaje.
I'm really happy.
Meniaje.
I'm really happy.
My eyes have
Meniaje pa. Meniaje pa.
You left handed?
I'm right here.
Treme. Treme.
treme,
Treme.
treme,
Treme.
treme,
Treme.
treme,
Treme.
treme,
Treme.
treme,
Treme.
That's to teach me or show me.
treme, treme.
Me pese mi didi. Me pese mi didi.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
He's like, no, for real, I want to eat now.
I
I'm
want to
hungry.
eat.
This is how.
I got 7.
Now, in restaurant, so when it's time to eat, don't forget this. You need to know how to say this, otherwise I won't let you eat.
Maybe Kwame will have to say it.
Me pese mi didi.
Me pesa me didi.
Bre bang.
Me pesa.
Bre bang.
Me pesa. Bye bye.
Me pese mi didi.
Pesa me didi.
Me say bre bang.
Okay, a second.
Time which?
Me
Which
didi.
time? That's how you ask when.
Me pesa
Bre bang.
me didi.
Bye bye.
I want
Bre bang.
Bye
that
bye.
I
Bre bang.
Bye bye.
That's
I want
which
that
time
I eat.
or when?
Says I want that I eat.
I.
Oh, maybe there's a slash somewhere? No, I want that I eat.
She benkum shenifa. So the way it's set up, colloquial English is on the right, on the left-hand side, and then what you're saying word for word is on the right-hand side, because they're not always the same.
I
The
want
way you would
that I eat.
normally say it in English is not always the word for word what you're getting in sheet. Mete brofokasa.
Mete brofokasa.
Mete brofokasa.
Mete brofokasa.
Mete brofokasa. Mete brofokasa nkwa.
I only speak English.
Mo-
I only speak English. I only speak language. I only speak English. I only speak English.
Which is kind of the opposite of what if you can say that in that
You can say
language
that,
and you
right?
don't.
You're doing pretty well. Mete chi. Mete chi.
Mete chi.
Mete chi.
Mete chi.
I speak tree.
Now, are you saying you speak it or are you saying you hear it?
I hear it.
Uh-huh.
I hear it. I hear it.
Miti- Mitichi. So whereas in English you would say I speak whatever it is, in Chi you would say I hear. Hmm? Aye, Mitichi. So the emphasis is on whether or not you hear what's being said. Yeah, so Brofokasa is language of the whites. So Brofo referring to Europeans. What's it dying? What's it dying?
What's a dime?
What's it dying?
What's a dime?
You said what? What's it dying? Dang. I feel what you can say. And dang. Na. Wakaya. And then na wakaya. You can also use this one. What it is you said. What it is you said. So you'll see that one, that a lot of the structures are similar to how what some people refer to as Black English works, right? Eden na wakanya. Lanka edeng, 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 na wakanya.
Now, okay.
Eden na wakanya. Eden na wakanya. What did you say? What did you say?
What is it
What
you
did
said?
what did you say?
What did you say?
So we gave what's a dang, you said what, and then na wakanya.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Don't hit hard. Don't hit hard. What did you say?
I got 10.
What did you say?
I got 9.
What did you say? I know 10.
What did you say? What did you say? I lost it.
Cambio? Cambio?
Cambio.
Cambio?
Again.
W.
Cambio?
I know Mama Carla always says that when we say Abibifahodie.
Cambio?
She says cambio.
Repeat what you said.
Right.
It says repeat what you said.
Cambio?
Or say it again.
I got 12.
Yes, say again. Cambio? Debbie, Mintichi. Debbie, my Debbie,
No.
Dabby.
Mintichi.
Minty tree.
Mintichi.
Baby.
Debbie, Minti.
No, I don't
No,
speak. No, I don't speak tree.
or literally, I don't hear. Chi.
No, I don't speak tree. No, I don't speak tree. I got 13.
I need me tree. Can't crowd.
No, I don't speak tree.
Got 14.
13, I got 14.
Debbie. Ane, Mitichi kakra. Ane, Mitichi kakra.
I
Ane,
speak
make
tree
a
a
tree
little.
kakra.
I speak tree a little.
Ane, make a tree kakra. I can't say
Again,
that
I
again.
hear chi a little is what you're saying, literally. Mo, I have you.
I hear tree a little. 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 I hear tree a little.
You guys like the bumps to burn.
Mo,
I know.
I hear tree a little. Don't do hard.
I speak tree a little. I speak tree a little.
aye. Mipacho, Buame.
17.
Mipacho,
How are you gonna say that?
Mipacho,
Me
Mipacho,
me chow chow.
Mipawocho,
Me power
Mipacho.
chow.
Now-
Chow.
What you're saying word for word is Moonchain. What you're saying word for word?
I will move my hat to help me.
Mipawocho.
I will
Moonchain.
move my hat to help me.
What does that mean
Move
in
my
English?
hat to help.
Debbie.
Oh, please help.
So when you're saying Mipawocho, that's what you're saying. I remove for you hat. Mipawocho. But when people say it, they blend it all together as Mipacho. Mipacho. Like Mipacho. Or instead of even saying the me, it'll just come down to Mpacho.
Pacho.
Pacho. Or the can drop altogether and people just say Pacho. Pacho.
Like help me.
Pacho.
That would mean help me.
No, we haven't gotten to the help me part. We're only
Oh.
doing the excuse me part.
Oh, okay. So this is excuse me.
Buame. Buame.
Kwame.
Buame.
Buame.
That's help me.
Kwame.
Buame.
Buame.
Kwame.
Buame.
Kwame.
Buame.
Kwame.
Buame.
BWI.
B-O-A.
R. No W.
B-O-A.
B-O-R. Me. M-E.
Bua. Buame.
Buame.
Mayra. Mayra.
Mayra.
Mayra. Kra. Mayra. Mayra. Kra.
I'm lost.
Mo.
I'm lost.
Mayra.
I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm
Mayra.
lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Please, I said I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm
You
lost.
can be physically lost, or if you're doing a lesson and you don't know where you are in the lesson, you can use it like that too.
Yay, we get a high five, right?
Midasi. Midasi. Midasi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I know that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
19.
Thank you. 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 I got more.
Kyo mong kongra.
I got more. Caleb, guess what? I do it.
Midasi.
Medasi.
So what you're saying literally is I lay, huh? I lay for you underneath. Midasi. Midasi.
I thought my dad said thank you.
It is what it says.
So this is what you're learning. You're learning that there's a difference between literal translation and figurative translation. When you say me, that's I. Da is to lay. Then ase is underneath.
I
right.
lay at your base.
But the thing is, you say midasi at the same place in English where you would say thank you. So when you're translating it, it means that you could translate it as thank you. But what you're saying literally is I lay for you underneath. So picture you're so thankful to a person that you lay down on the ground in front of them. Say, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? Right? So that's what you're saying.
And the person helps the person who gets that. Say thank you. So it's kind of like that.
Something like that. Now, there are historical texts from the 1300s, and I actually gave a presentation on this, where when citizens would go to see the ruler, this is, I want to say, ancient Mali, that what they would do is that they would literally prostrate out on the ground, right, just to greet. They would remove any headwear that they had, and they would prostrate on the ground. So from that narrative, you have both mipacho, which is a takeoff for you hat, as a sign of respect, and then also you get midase, which is to lay down on the ground. Now what's interesting about that is right now most Akan people don't wear hats, right? You'll see them wear the cloth. You usually don't see them wearing a hat with that, right? Another thing is when people thank people, they usually don't get on the ground and prostrate. But what it's letting you know is that at some point in the remote past, people actually did wear hats a lot, and they would remove it as a sign of respect. They actually did get on the ground a lot, you know, as also a sign of respect, right? And the Yoruba still do that. To greet, they'll still prostrate out on the ground, right? Yanasi. Yanasi. You're nice.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Good. So you translate as you're welcome. What you're saying literally is we don't lay underneath. So picture somebody laying down. Oh, you're nice. You're nice. You're nice. You're nice. Yeah, you're nice. So what I'm saying literally is we don't lay underneath. So it's based on not saying you're welcome. What you're saying is a response to medase. So
Like
the
it's
person,
not necessarily for you
exactly.
to do that.
So it's like I just said I'm laying underneath. In response, you're saying, oh, no, don't do that. You don't got to do all that. Relax.
It was my pleasure.
Alright, so it's like that. Medase. Kase medase. Kase yanase. Kan. Munyina mun kan. All of you say it together.
Yanase. 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 Yanase.
Mo. After mun kan medase.
Medase.
Medase. Kase medase.
Medase. Medase. Medase. Medase.
Mo. My idea. And you can make anything into a song. Medase. Yanase. Medase. Yanase. Medase you. Yanase you. Medase you. You bet you have you.
You bet you have you.
You bet you have you.
We'll meet
You
again.
bet you have you.
You bet you have you. So what you're saying, literally, we will meet again, but it's the same place where in English you would just normally say goodbye, right? You bet you have you. Echiri,
Etre.
echiri,
Etre.
echiri,
Etre.
echiri.
Etre.
You have two different pronunciations on it. Some will say echiri, others say echiri.
It sounds like you said the same thing.
It doesn't.
What were your two things?
Echiri,
And
echiri,
It sounds the
echiri,
same.
echiri, echiri, echiri.
okay.
Echiri, 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 echiri,
So the
echiri,
emphasis is
echiri,
on different syllables.
echiri, echiri,
Etre.
echiri. So you can make it a song because there are different tones on it.
Etre.
You see? Sang. You see? Sang. You see? So we say, and then whatever you want to know, then you add sang. We say it how? You see? Sang. So if you want to know the word for dog, in Chi, you say dog, sang.
Okay. You said dog saying. Yes, dog saying. How do you say dog?
Mo- So I want you to fill in the blank you see, and then put in something, and then say sang. You say grass, sang. You say tree, sang.
It's saying mouth.
That's an easy one.
And I'll say a mouth.
I don't know.
So make the whole sentence.
Translate
I already
something.
did mine.
You see
Jump.
something,
Where?
sang. You see.
Yes, say two.
You say bottom.
Yes, say Adesuabea.
I know you have palm tree. What do you have there? Be from a sound.
So windy today. Where they have lawns.
How are you?
Huh?
How are you?
Come on, long sleeves.
Are you cold?
That's long sleeves to you?
The long sleeves make it more relaxed.
Yeah. You see? You see? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, say.
Me was in Misa. Me was in Misa.
Me was a missa.
Me was in Misa.
It
Me wa se misa.
Yes, I have a question. Me was in Misa.
Me wa se misa.
Ane Matiasia.
Ane Matiasi. Ane Matiasi.
Ane Matiasia.
Ane Matiasi.
Debbie Mentiasia.
Debbie Mentiasi.
Debbie Mentiasia.
Debbie Mentiasi.
Eja kwa me say mon sorry.
Oh, I didn't dog sing.
Eja kwa me say mon sam. Eja kwa me say mon hurihuri. Eja kwa me say mon twam ho nhia. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon mamonsa benkom so.
You're out, Syria.
Eja kwa me say mon mamonsa nifa so. Eja kwa me say mon tnas.
You're out?
Eja kwa me say mon tnas.
See?
Eja kwa me say mon sorry.
Yes.
Those of you who are out, you're still out. We're not done with the first round. Those of you who are out are still out. We're not done with the first round. Eja kwa me say mo sam. Eja kwa me say mo mamonsaso. Eja kwa me say my son Shasi bium. So Eja kwa me says let's start over again.
What?
Mon sorry.
You're out.
Eja kwa me say mon sorry.
I was already standing up.
Yeah. Me say my son Shasi bium. So I'm saying let's start over again. Eja kwa me say mon tutu mereka nko abedua no ho. Eja kwa me say mumbra. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon sam. Mon koto. Mon hurihuri. Eja kwa me say mon hurihuri. Eja kwa me say mon sam. Mon hurihuri.
What? You too. You're out.
Kamian kashi. Eja kwa me say mon mamonsaso. Eja kwa me say mon mamonsa benkum so.
You're out, Kayla.
Eja kwa me say mon mamonsa nifa so. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon koto. Mon sorry. Mon sorry. Eja kwa me say mon sorry. Mon koto. Eja kwa me say mon hurihuri. Eja kwa me say mon konifa.
I'm a winner.
She is the winner. Mon nifa. Go to the right. Too late. You put out your right hand.
was like this.
Yo, my son Shasi bium. Eja kwa me say chi mo wa ya dia.
How you say? You want me to say
So, so she's trying to say Kwame said.
Chichire wo mpaboa no.
Oh, what?
Chichire wo mpaboa no.
I'll tie my shoes.
Aye.
want me to say it to mama?
She has your toe.
Can't you just say it?
Gigi don't pabona.
Gigi won't comprano.
Eja kwa mi say mon sorry.
Wait. Get up. Get up. You guys have to stand up. Do a pose.
Yeah, trying chi. Emeka. Eja kwa mi say momo monsam. Eja kwa mi say momo monsaso. Eja kwa mi say momo monsam. Eja kwa mi say mon konifa. Eja kwa mi say mon kobenkum. Eja kwa mi say mon komochi.
You're out. You're out.
Eja kwa mi say mon ramonim. Eja kwa mi say mon komochi. Eja kwa mi say mumra. Munjina. Eja kwa mi say munjina. Eja kwa mi say mon komochi. Eja kwa mi say montanasi. Eja kwa mi say mon sorry. Montanasi. Eja kwa mi say momo monsam. Eja kwa mi say mon huri. Momo monsam.
Someone was about to do it.
Eja kwa mi say momo monsam. Eja kwa mi say momo monsa benkum so.
Mama.
Ngosi.
Kosi.
Ngosi. Eja kwa mi say momo monsa nifa so. Momo monsa benkum so. Eja kwa mi say momo monsa benkum so. Eja kwa mi say mon tutu mre kan ko onyina dua no ho. Onyina dua.
Run for your lives, Caleb. He says moon rock.
Yes, we come. Eja kwa mi say
Run for your life.
Munchang.
Moon.
Caleb's like, okay, now. Eja kwa mi say mumra.
Run for your life, Caleb. Run for your life.
He's quick. Circle bro. Okay, you gotta wait and see what I'm gonna say.
I know. You gotta listen to him.
I said, Eja kwa mi say, and then you started running. And I said, Munchang, that's y'all should wait. Eja kwa mi say, Munkoto. Eja kwa mi say, Mon sorry. Eja kwa mi say, Mama Monsasu. Eja kwa mi say, Montram Hunshia. Mama Monsasu. Montram Hunshia. Mama Monsasu. Eja kwa mi na say, Mama Monsasu. Kwame na Nina Epe. So Kwame and Kwamina are the same thing.
Oh.
It's different dialects. In Fanta they say Kwamina. In P they say Kwame.
Yeah, well, I'm new to that, what you just said. Because you say Kwame say. So.
Eja Kwame na say Munkoto. Eja Kwame na say Mun sorry. Eja Atwapim say Munkoto. Alright, everybody's out. Atwapim is another praise name for a Saturday born. So now you're learning the other names for Saturday born. Yes, it is. Eja Kwame say Mon sorry.
That's what you get.
Caleb, get up. Get up.
Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Monkoto. Monsore. Monkoto. Monkoto. Ngo Monkoto. Ah. Ngo. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Momonsam. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Momonsam. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Momonsam. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Momonsam. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Momonsam. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monsanas. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Monkoto. Monsanas. Eja Kwame say Monsanas. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsam. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsam. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsam. Mama Monsam. Soraya kept clapping.
She's still clapping.
Even after the fact. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Mama Monsaso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsam. Mama Monsam.
I'm not clapping.
Mama Monsaso. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsam. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsa Benkumso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsa Nifaso. Mama Monsa Benkumso. Madada. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsa Benkumso. Eja Kwame say Mama Monsa Nifaso. Eja Kwame say Monshe Benkum.
Wait.
Don't do it. See?
Eja Kwame say Monshe Nifa. Mau. Mo ayanya.
I want.
Eja Kwame say Monsore.
I'm already standing up.
Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Eja Kwame say Monkoto. Eja Kwame say Monsore. Monkoto. Yo mama, if you want to go back on.
You said Kwame said. Waiting for the right sound to sound.
They better not come and
Just say Mama.
Mama!
Are they?
Oh, where's your sound? Kwame said, Mama!
Because I'm in Turkey because we mouthy sound.
Yes.
What?
That's not fair. He said
I didn't even know.
He said Malvi say first.
Oh, wait, hold on. Can I
Good job, Mama.
Give him one more mouth.
I can do one more. But it's still my favorite.
Are you gonna play
No
Malvi
one-
Says or Kwame Says?
No one won.
Okay, it's not fair because you didn't talk loud.
Okay, so let him do one more.
Now we say Monkoto. I just say Monsore. I just say Monkoto. I just say Monsore. Monkomania. Monkomania.
Okay, you guys are out.
Except Amma and Saraya
Mal-
didn't
Mal-
know.
So
I
I
just
Down
went
to
this.
Amma and
Did I
Saraya.
went the wrong way? I just scooped this way.
He didn't say Malvi say. So whichever way you move, even if it was correct, was not correct. Goes down to Amma and Saraya.
Malvi say Monkomania.
Amma, he said
You're out.
something. You're not listening.
You're playing with Nkosi and you didn't listen.
You're the winner.
Yay.
So now you get to
Saraya
do it,
say.
Saraya say.
So, how come I just
Alright, Saraya. Alright, Saraya's turn, Amira.
I was trying to help her out. Saraya says, "I'm sorry." Saraya says, "Mukoto." Saraya says, "I'm sorry." Mukoto.
Speak up.
Saraya says, "Mutuna." Saraya says, "Tanasi." Saraya says, "I'm sorry."
Soraya, see. See.
Saraya says, "Mumu
Hey, I'm using Baba.
Saraya says, "Mukoto." Saraya says, "I'm sorry." Saraya says, "Mukoto." Saraya says, "I'm sorry." Saraya says, "Mutanasi."
Ooh.
Mama, you're out.
What?
Monsorry, not Monsorry.
Nobody's sorry.
Saraya says Mutunasi.
I'm back. I'm back.
Saraya says Mutunasi. Monsorry. It's kind of boring that she said it slow. Someone has to run for your lives.
You were so great because you were running, singing all your saying all your words.
Saraya says Moombra. Run for your life! Run for your life, Nikosi! You can make it! Oh, jeez. Oh, I am please. Thank you. Well, she ran for
Myra's
her
very
life.
vocal. Saraya's very
Not.
No one is out except me.
I'll be like y'all are feeding them different diets.
Saraya says. Saraya says. Saraya says Mutanasi. Saraya says Mutanasi. Saraya says Mutanasi. Saraya says
Nobody's gonna get out.
I'm gonna go out. What? I was already like this. Is that a crutch to you? Your legs gotta bend the way down. You don't gotta be like.
You were on your way.
Someone's angry now.
Remember, Saraya?
I'll help.
Blink. Remember,
You
jump.
say.
Remember, go forward. Remember, go backward.
I'll help her.
She could do it, man. Here to help you.
Amira, hand me my purse. I'm going to show you. Remember the first day I came to school? Saw that I didn't have any money. You told me to open the stand.
Saraya said, Mom, bro! Run for your life! Ow! Ow! I was first. I was third. You got much money now? How big is your restaurant? Saraya?
Myra, do you see words on my neck?
Your turn. Kayla.
Yep.
Yo, Mama.
Y'all
Mama.
are out.
Good.
They were out?
Yep.
Why?
He failed to keep attention.
Ready?
Out.
Yo, Killa.
Yeah, but you can do something tricky for me, but everyone else has to do it. Kayla say Montanase. Why are you sitting down? Oh, Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Montanase. Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Montanase. Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Montanase. Mukoto.
But he didn't sit yet
So he's out.
for not sitting.
Either for not sitting or for staying squatted. Remember how to say
So what y'all telling him, huh?
Kayla said Mo Boo Boo Morning. Kayla said Mo Boo Boo Morning. Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Motanase. Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Motanase. Kayla said Mukoto. Kayla said Motanase. Mukoto.
You gotta do something other than those two.
You have any else word?
See, y'all trying to slip her prose sentences. Don't y'all dare try to give her hard words.
Come on, Kayla. Speaking of boring. Kayla said Momo Sanso. What? You're out. Keep on clapping too.
She be getting so many hints.
Oh! Kayla said
Huh?
Fabio, say it again. Say it again.
Muntutumrika. I said Muntutumrika.
You want them to run
Say you multitude and can't call Abregia.
Abibifahodie.
Abregia.